Dear ardent learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. I think you are all well and good, and I have prepared this channel for broad-basing knowledge. Those who have not shared and subscribed my channel, I request them to like, share and subscribe to say the magicality of my knowledge. My name is Vijay Kumar Raut. I am having 46 years of experience in teaching English, and I am also a researcher in English grammar. So I think you will never miss watching my channel. Here is a hand class over the miles. Thank you, much as gracious. My dear inquisitive wordaholics, herbivores, logolabs, word lovers, today I will teach you something very special, extraordinary, magical and mysterious too. So you remember that who can be how and how can be who. Pot can be top and top can be pot. The classroom can be schoolmaster and bleed can be table. Older and wiser can be I learned words. Table can be blit, thol can be hotel. What can be thaw, when can be hue. I must think that you must be thinking that I am telling you something that it might not go into your minds. I am simply telling bleat can be table, bleat, B-L-E-A-T, 5 letters. So reshuffling these 5 letters, I am forming another word that is table. Thole, T-H-O-L-E, H-O-T-E-L. How can be who can be how, H-O-W can be W-H-O, what W-H-A-T can be thaw, T-H-A-W means decrease or diminish. This practice is called anagrams, antigrams. There are many grams, that pangrams, that is antigram, that is anagram, that is lipogram. So one of them is your anagram and antigram. The antigram is a system of reshuffling the same letter of that word in order to form another word. So it's very interesting. Don't waste time. So let us start the class. Now I am going to teach you what is our anagram, that is a word play that will help you develop your vocabulary. So now let me teach you. Let's start. Let's come to the field of anagrams. New door can be one word. You see, O-N-E, one, then what? W-R-D, new words. The classroom can be schoolmaster. Your master can be stream. Bleat can be table. Telegraph can be great help. You remember one thing, when a pilot asked of Jesus a beautiful question, quid est veritas? That means, what is truth? Answer came, est vir qui adest. It is the man who is here. So if you reshuffle these letters, you can find this answer. This is also called that is anagrammatic style. That is from these letters we form another letter, that is what is truth, and the answer is it is the man who is here. You please do one thing. You write them down and practice at home. After this, I will be teaching you another things in different style. Let's start. A study. Any word coming after A is definitely a noun. You remember this grammar. A boy, boy is noun. A girl, girl is noun. A study. Study means study room. Actually in English there is no correct expression like a study room. Those who are using study room they should not use it. They instead use it as study. Suppose one editing one common error will come. He is reading in his study room. You just write it correctly. He is reading in his study. A study must not be dusty. D-U-S-T-Y, dusty. A study must not be dusty. Okay. Older and wiser can be I learned words. If you reshuffle these letters, you will find these three words, I learned words. Take a remote to see the what? M-E-O-T-E-R. Meteor, M-E-T-E-O-R, meteor. Two goats split on the what? You reshuffle this word, you will find another word. They see what? They see, you try to do this. Coins kept what? You try to do this. You just write them and practice them. Then I will be teaching in another style. You write them down now. Okay, let's start. Anagrams can be Ars Magna. A-R-S, M-A-G-N-A, Ars Magna means great art. You can also frame a sentence that is, grammar is the Ars Magna of perfection. Ars Magna can be later used in your essays and paragraphs. The boy wills. W-I-L-L, will is modal, and W-I-L-L, will is a main verb, principal verb, substantive verb. That means to wish. The man wishes, means wills to swill. Swill means to wash or clean. The boy wills to swill because he left and felt dizzy. He does smile over the miles. That is, you see, wills becomes swill, left becomes felt. He does smile over the miles. Smile becomes miles, and he says all these things. Violence can be nice love. How? That is called antigram. Thus the opposite anagram. Violence can be nice love. Bijoy Raut can be outrip joy. Diplomacy can be mad policy. This is also an antigram. This is also an antigram. So you just write them and practice at home. After this, I will give you some bright examples so that you will remember and be proficient in the area of vocabulary. Now, write them down. Okay, have a start now. Countryside, its anagram is no, no city dust here, no city dust here. Medical consultations becomes noted miscalculations. Medical consultations become noted miscalculations. Earth becomes hut, shore becomes horse, three becomes you're there. Then I have just given you some questions. You sit at home and comfortably use your brain and solve these anagrams so that you will definitely feel, after solving all these anagrams, you will feel that you have attained something spectacular. Groans, Monday, balm, sore, presto, peon, resist, R-E-S-I-S-T, resist, rescind means cancel, resist means obstruct, garden, your nadir means bottom, neut, war, south, then united, then chin, then pot. All these things I have given. Once again, you remember. After I tell you the basic definitions of your anagrams, that is, you have to reshuffle the words, the letters containing a word, and try to form another word. So what will happen? That you will develop your power of vocabulary. So you see, this is a word, this is not visible. Okay. So you first try to solve from suppose pot, P-O-T, O-P-T, opt means wish. Suppose you do not know there is a word opt, O-P-T, you will search in the dictionary. If there is a word like opt, O-P-T means wish, want, then your vocabulary increase. Suppose moat, you will find out. You first take this letter O. If know what is form, then take A, then T, something like that. You use it, that is like using solving mathematical calculations. You see what will happen after some days. You will feel that you will collect hundreds and thousands of anagrams, so that you will very powerful in vocabulary. Now you write them down, practice at home, and when you finish this, I am sure that you will be very proficient in your vocabulary and grammar. After this, you like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Here is a hand class over the mice. Muchas gracias. Thank you all. Stay blessed. Please do the answers and write them in the comment box, so that there will be a brainstorming interaction between us. So I hope that you must do what I told you now. Thank you all.